Can you make Pop a birthday cake?
No, I'm making you and me in the water a birthday cake.
But Pop's birthday is tomorrow.
We already got him a birthday day.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. With BB?
Yep.
Okay.
After where we were eating ice cream.
Yeah. Okay.
Now it's time to pour this into this.
Okay.
Now it's time to pour it on this. Now I need for the water to stir it. Now I need to put it on this. Then scoop it up. Then put it on you. Then pour it with this. So now I need to smash them down. There. Now I have to put them in the oven. There. Mom, right there it is made.
Okay.
Mom, it's almost done.
Okay.
Mom, I'm making a Kachow one.
A Kachow cake?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
And I'm making a princess one for my dad and my sister.
A princess one for sister?
No, a princess is a princess one for my dad and her.
Oh, for daddy and sister?
Yep. But I need that too. But I put it in the oven, so the Kachow cake will be ready.
Okay.
But it's almost made.
Okay.
And these two guys. I put those two dice in there. Let's take this one.
Evan. Is your cake done?
No, not yet.
Oh.